Hello friends, hope everything is fine with you guys. So in this lecture we are going to understand a really interesting difference. Yes friend, I have seen many people find it difficult to understand the difference between flex and inline flex. Yes friend, now here I will illustrate the difference between these two. Okay, so first in our previous lecture, we have seen that in Bootstrap, we can manage the display property using d hyphen, then breakpoint hyphen, then you can, that breakpoint is optional, of course. So it can be the d hyphen, then none or block or inline block or flex, inline flex like this. So d, then hyphen, then the display property value. Okay, all right. See, here we have our main container. Inside it we have two sections. Okay, inside each section we have three div contents. The first section have three divs with display flex, and the next section is having three divs with display property inline flex. Now let's try to understand what is in there. In every flex container we have three contents, okay, inside each and every flex container. Alright, see here, div flex 1, div flex line 2, line 3. Okay, let me change it. Yeah, I think I have copy pasted. So okay, like this. Yeah, all right. Now remember, the first section is having three flex containers. Okay, the second one has also three flex containers, but the first one is of display flex and the second one is of display inline flex. Now let's open in browser. See here friend, this is our first section, alright, and here we have three divs, three flex containers. See, three flex containers, okay, and each are having flex line 1, flex line 2, flex line 3. So this is one flex container, this is another flex container, this is another flex container. And here, this is one flex container, this is another flex container, this is another flex container. So what did you get from this? Everything is same, just the difference is this is d flex and this is d inline flex. Actually, the main difference is whenever you mention a container's display property flex, the flex items becomes inline. See, as you can see here, right? Only the flex items, not the container. But when you mention a container's display property inline flex, the container itself becomes inline. As you can see here, this is the only difference. Yes friend. So I hope that you have learned the difference. I really thought that I should share this concept with you so that it becomes really clear to everyone. Alright, now see you in our next lecture with some other flex properties. Till then, have fun, take care.